Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to turn off your outside faucets. You have to find a knob inside your house that controls the outside ones. They're usually going to be in your garage, in a utility closet, or your shed. Mine is in here, straight to the bottom down there, behind my water heater. It's that blue knob. This is the best way for me to reach over. So turning clockwise means that you're turning the water supply off. If you don't have it labeled, you should label it somehow. And then you want to go to your outside faucet and turn it left, lefty-loosey, which is turning the water on. So now there's no supply coming here. And this one is on because you want to leave the pipes open. And that's it. If you know where your shutoff is inside the house, it only takes a couple of minutes. You want to do this before it starts getting cold outside. I forgot to do mine, but wait till it's about 40 degrees or higher, just in case. So that's it, guys. Bye. Like and subscribe.
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit that subscribe